Some people added pranayam to regular intake of cow's urine, wheat grass juice, and giloy juice and benefited from it. Some just relied on cow's urine and got rid of cancer. There are some people who neither had cow's urine nor took wheat grass juice. They just practiced pranayam regularly to conquer cancer. We have complete data of such patients, their names, their ailment, their reports with us. That's why we can confidently say that pranayam is not only a physical fitness regime. This is an important part of therapeutical science, and if it is practiced properly, by using proper methods with proper timing, then this therapy will stand on its own. It's a complete medical science. And prana energy can be termed super medicine. Prana is medicine. Do practice pranayam. Pranayam may help to cure cancer. How long it has to be practiced? Listen carefully. Do not overindulge. Take very simple meals. Then, for 5 minutes practice Bhastrika first. Kapalbhati pranayam you can start with 15 minutes, then go up to half an hour, increasing the duration slowly. In case you had cancer of the stomach, and it has been operated upon, you will face a few difficulties. But in other cases, if you had brain tumor or any other type of cancer, whether it is lung cancer or mouth cancer, practice Kapalbhati from 15 to 30 minutes. Start slowly with 5 minutes. 15 to 30 minutes Kapalbhati. 3 to 5 times Bahya Pranayam. Then Anulom Vilom from 15 to 30 minutes. Increase duration slowly. Normally we tell people to practice Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom for 5 to 15 minutes. But for cancer patients we suggest Kapalabhati from 15 to 30 minutes and Anulom Vilom from 15 to 30 minutes. Then Brahmari and Udgit can be practiced from 3 to 11 and up to 21 times. Then meditate on the sound of Om. This is the duration of pranayam. This whole process will take about hour and a half or 2 hours. You can practice pranayam in the morning and evening. In summers, a little less. In winters, from an hour and a half to 2 hours. And see for yourself. Within a week, you will feel a lot of relief. The very first day, there will be some relief. And after few days, once again, you get yourself checked up, get the biopsy done. The report may be negative. It has happened. Someone had brain tumor. MRI was done again. He found that the report was normal. It gives amazing results. Brain tumor disappears. Brain cancer, blood cancer. Many patients of blood cancer have improved. That's why I'm telling you. Initially they may have taken medicines for few days. But there is no allopathic medicine that can help to get rid of cancer. It may help control it. Only a few things, the counts of TLC, can be controlled. Pranayam gives amazing results. Cancer patients have shown improvement. You also practice. Just increase the duration of pranayam a little bit and try to change your daily routine. For several problems, we will recommend Ayurvedic medicines also, but first practice pranayam. Take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs completely till diaphragm. And then exhale out. Breathe in fully. Sit in Siddhasana, Sukhasana, Padmasana posture. Devote yourself fully to that Almighty. With dedication, practice prayerfully. Slowly increase duration from 1 to 2, then 5 minutes. After this, practice Kapalabhati Pranayam. Sit in any asana, Siddhasana, Sukhasana, Padmasana, with back straight. If unable to do that, then sit over a chair. If you are unable to sit on a chair, then practice lying down. Anulom Vilom Brahmari Udgit can be practiced while lying down also. Kapalabhati can be a little difficult to practice, but that can also be done. you have to sit upright. Then after Bhastrika, practice Kapalabhati. You have to exhale out. In this manner, every day, practice Kapalabhati for 1 minute. If you are tired, then stop. Stop after 1 minute's practice. Again practice. Again stop. Again practice. In this way, practice for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. Even for half an hour, you may practice it at a stretch. I have myself seen. It works like natural radiation. While doing Kapalabhati, so much of energy is generated inside that the outer source of heat that we take is ineffective comparatively. It is so effective. Practice Kapalabhati for 15 to 30 minutes. Anulom Vilom 15 to 30 minutes. When you practice, it works as a natural radiation. On the basis of our experiments, we can safely say that pranayam helps to cure the cancer. We have done that. That's why we are saying. We have recently published its report as well, and are about to publish a book also. Cancer is being cured with pranayam. More research will be conducted in Patanjali Yogpeeth, and I believe that the poor people of the world, the helpless people who are suffering from cancer may be relieved. Otherwise, there is only one solution of their life, and that is death, because there is no other solution. Now pranayam will become their solution. Their children will not be orphans, and the daughters, the sisters, the mothers whose young husbands had cancer, they will not become widows because of it. Their life partners will not leave them. Imagine the only son of old parents is suffering from cancer. What should they do? But now they need not worry. Young kids became orphan. They lost their parents. Their guardians have left them alone. Cancer took their life. Death took them away. Cancer makes you vulnerable. That's why I said it's another name of death. 10 million people every year get cancer. And in India, this figure is 7 lakhs. Within our country, around 2.5 million people are suffering from cancer. And there's no solution. Practice this pranayam. Even if you're taking allopathic treatment, even then practice pranayam, Kapalabhati pranayam. Exhale your breath out. Exhale out. Not like this. Never. Kapalabhati. When you breathe out, stomach contracts in. You can feel on your own. Do it like this. Increase the duration from 5 minutes to 10, then 15, then for 30 minutes. You practice it. In case of surgery, do not practice immediately. After 6 months of operation, you can do it. And then, after 1 year, there is absolutely no risk. So practice. Even after the surgery, you may practice. In case of stomach operation, if someone had pancreas cancer, or had liver cancer, or had intestinal cancer, prostate cancer, or had uterus or ovarian cancer, 1 year after the surgery for these, you must start practicing pranayam. After 6 months, you may slowly start the practice. Even after the operation, Anulom Vilom, Brahmari, Udgit, Bhastrika, one may start practicing even after the stomach operation. Pranayam is essential for everyone. Kapalabhati increase its duration slowly, and practice with devotion. I was telling you, it works like a natural radiation, works like a natural chemo. It's an amazing pranayam. Practice slowly, increasing the duration. Practice with devotion and dedication, without losing hope, without thinking negative. You are half dead due to fear of cancer. Cancer doesn't kill you, the fear of cancer kills a person. There is a saying that a person doesn't die due to snake bite, but the scare of snake kills a person. Just a snake bites and a man dies. Majority of the snake poison can be made ineffective by certain easy methods. That's a different chapter altogether. But a person dies due to scare of the snake. I have cancer, I will die. This fear of cancer kills a person. Don't be scared. Just once you get yourself checked up properly, and after getting proper checkup, when it becomes certain that you have cancer, get the biopsy done, other tests as well, get them also done. Then practice pranayam. Along with this, you can also take radiation. If cancer is at an advanced stage, then take chemo. And to few people, chemotherapy doesn't suit at all. It may harm, even kill them. Take wheatgrass juice, cow's milk and other such things. Ayurvedic medicine we'll tell you later on. Do whatever suits you. I'm not against radiation and chemo. But I have seen few people, few patients improve just with pranayam. That's why I say, it's also a science. Don't negate it. And we are doing more research on it. And very soon we will be able to say that complete control. Cancer can be completely controlled through pranayam and Ayurvedic treatment fully. It may take some time. But in Patanjali Yogpeeth, research in this direction has already started for controlling the cancer disease.